Perched high above the valley in a coveted neighborhood, this exceptional home is ideally located, surrounded by nature and nearby parks, while offering sweeping views and a lifestyle designed for both comfort and connection. With 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and more than 3,700 square feet, this home offers the space and flexibility to fit a variety of lifestyles. Head inside to expansive windows, a dramatic fireplace, and soaring ceilings. The kitchen sits at the heart of the home, featuring newly painted cabinetry and a layout that flows effortlessly into the main living areas, ideal for everyday living and easy entertaining. Step outside to multiple spaces to gather or just unwind. A private office retreat offers its own fireplace and dedicated deck with unforgettable valley views. Upstairs, the primary suite offers a true escape, where you can take in gorgeous sunsets. It's complete with dual vanities, a large soaking tub, separate shower, and a walk-in closet with built-ins. This home offers flexibility for the way you live, whether that means multi-generational living, working from home, or simply room to spread out. The finished lower level provides excellent separation, featuring a generous bonus space, bedroom, walk-in closet, and a full bathroom. Enjoy private spaces to entertain on the flat patio, deck, or raised fire pit area, all with a beautifully terraced yard. Thoughtfully designed and ideally located near nature parks, exceptional schools, and shopping, this home offers the perfect balance of nature, community, and accessibility. Elevated in both setting and design, this is more than a home. It's Northwest living at its finest. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.